this problem, a 5-meter ladder leans against a building so that the angle between the ground and the ladder is theta radians. Let h be how high the top of the ladder in meters is reaching on the building at time t equal t seconds. At time t equal to 0, h is 4 meters, and the ladder starts sliding down with constant speed, 0.5 meters per second. The first part of the problem is asking, express theta as a function of h only. That is theta of h. This is not theta times h. Theta of h as like f of x in radian. To do so, I'm going to go back to the picture and try to redraw it like this. This is h. This is 5 theta, and sine of theta is equal to h over 5. Now, that's how they are connected, but I want to solve for theta. In solving for theta, I have to find the inverse function in here, inverse of sine of theta, and that would be arc sine. So arc sine theta is equal to arc sine h over 5. So again, to solve for theta, typically we do inverse, but it's arithmetic inverses or related to product or related to addition. Now that we have sine of theta, it has to be inverse of the sine function. And so here I get theta is equal to arc sine of h over 5. And let's put that in here. Arc sine h over 5. The next question is asking, express h as a function of t only. You can see that a constant speed right there, and constant speed should tell you that basically you have a linear function. H is a linear function of time. That is, h is decreasing at constant rate of the, because h is getting smaller and smaller, so negative 0.5 t. But what was the original h? That was 4 meters, and that means that the y-intercept was 4 meters. So now h starts, this is h, this is time, starts at 4 meters, and it goes down at a 0.5 slope, basically. And that's the, so h of t is a function of time. And I'm going to express that as negative 0.5 t plus 4. The next part is asking, express theta as a function of t only. That is basically, h is a function of t, theta is a function of h. They're asking us to compose the two functions. So you end up with arc sine of negative 0.5 t plus 4 instead of h divided by 5. And that gives you the function of t only. Then it's asking you to express x, the distance of the base of the ladder to wall, as a function of t only. I know that x and h are related in this matter. X squared plus h squared is equal to 25 by the Pythagorean theorem. So from here I solve for x to get square root of 25 minus h squared. H is a function of t, so I can plug it in. And that would be the answer over here. It's asking how high does the ladder reach on the building at time t equal to 2 seconds. At t equal to 2 seconds, I can plug it back into the function h of t, And that is going to give me minus 0.5 times 2 plus 4, and that's 3 meters. It's asking what is theta at time t equal to 3 seconds. So going back into the formula, I have to compute arc sine of negative 0.5 times 3 plus 4 divided by 5. And that gives me arc sine of negative 1.5 plus 4 divided by 5. Arc sine of 2.5 over 5, which is arc sine of 1/2. And I know arc, the angle whose sine is 1/2 is pi over 6. And that's my